Truth that you need to know about quail health and what I wish I knew before I started keeping quail. So I wish someone had warned me. When I first started raising quail, I thought if I give them food, water, and shelter, they'll be fine. I didn't realize how fragile they were and how vulnerable they are until I lost one. So today I'm sharing the truth about quail health, the things I wish someone had told me before I even hatched the first egg. So if you raise quail or if you're thinking about it, please watch this video till the end. It could save your birds and it could spare you a lot of heartbreak. So quails are tough, but only on the outside. Quails are often described as hardy birds, and it's true in some ways. They don't complain, they lay well, and they adapt. But it also means they hide sickness extremely well. By the time a quail looks sick, it's often already critical. I didn't know that at first. I thought, oh, it's just resting more today. But by the next morning, it was gone. So, lesson number one, if something feels off, don't wait. Separate the bird and act quickly. Also, what are the early signs I missed? So here are some signs I didn't pay enough attention to. Fluffed up feathers, sitting alone in the corner, not running to eat like usual, slightly open mouth breathing, and runny or greenish droopings. And they might seem minor until you realize these are screams for help from a bird that can't even make a sound. Lesson number two, observe your quail daily. Know what's normal looks like so that you can catch abnormal very quickly. Also, common causes of sickness. So these are the health threats that I never expected. I never expected that moldy or dusty feed can cause crop and digestive issues. I never thought that sudden weather changes can cause them to have a heat stress or a cold shock. I never thought that overcrowding them leads to stress that weakens the immune system, as well as poor ventilation leads to respiratory illness, and lack of dust baths can open the door to things like lice and mites. So lesson number three, most health problems come from things that we can control. Prevention is easier than treatment. So what do I do differently now? So here's what I do that I didn't do before early on in my quail keeping journey. I keep electrolytes and probiotics on hand. I have garlic water and apple cider vinegar rotation weekly. I clean the drooping trays twice a week, and I offer hard-boiled egg yolk during molts, the stage of molting, or during periods of stress. And also, I try my best to use wood ash dust baths for mites and isolate at first signs of behavior change. Lesson number four, you don't need to be a vet, you just need to be proactive. So what I tell new quail owners if I had the chance to, if you're just starting out, please don't let this scare you. Raising quail can be one of the most rewarding experiences ever, but I wish someone had told me, be prepared for sudden changes, pay attention to small things, don't be afraid to separate a bird, and keep basic first aid kit ready. And above all, learn as you go. Don't blame yourself when you lose one, it happens to all of us. So now I raise healthier birds because I made those early mistakes. And I share this because I want you to feel more confident. I want you to be more prepared, and I want you to connect to your flock. Have you ever lost a quail or faced a health scare? Share your story in the comments below. It could really help someone else. Like this video if it spoke to you, subscribe and hit the bell icon, because in the next one I'll be sharing with you how to build your own DIY quail health kit step by step. Thank you so much for watching, and give your birds a little extra love today. They'll notice the more that you think. Take care and have a great day. All the best.